and welcome back to channel where guys today I'm saying welcome back for a reason. If you are not subscribed, I should subscribe right now. If you have not seen my last video, I figured out that it's probably going to be copyrighted because I used a song that I did not email the person by. Now, I heard if you get 3 copyright strikes, guys, that your YouTube channel gets cut. I have another YouTube channel just in case this YouTube channel gets cut if I do that 2 more times, which I'm not going to do 2 more times. So I'm using no copyrighted sound music, okay? Want to hear some? Want to hear some? How about we hear some? Okay? Let's do it. Also, by the way, YouTube, please give us a chance. I'm just so sad these days. I love these noises. I'm so sad. Please don't give me a copyright strike. I'll do anything. Just gonna. So I just failed at doing bottle flips. Never try them again. That's a new thing. But it's so sad that we couldn't get one. You know? Also, I should actually find some happy music, guys, because on Pokemon Go Roblox, I just caught a Ditto and my Mewtwo, and they added the legendary birds tonight, and I caught Oricruno. So amazing. And I caught Mew and Zeno. So good. But yeah, guys, so I have to say one more thing before you guys leave. I'm going to put on the song that was actually my intro. Yeah, it's this one. So you hear that part, and then the rest comes in. So you're just gonna jazz up to that.
But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like Kung Fu. This deep inside.
I would usually never dance, but I guess I'm gonna do it. Okay, guys, I have to leave. I have to quit this video. Bye, because I just want to watch this. Post it still. Bye. See you later, guys.